Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ashish from CC2C. Today's I want to present a PPT on a jewelry, which was my business. These are the types which I want to put in my business, like custom necklaces, born to sparkle, diamonds on call, hello diamonds, and elegant jewels, gorgeous strands, sparkling deluxe, execute jewelers, the pearl sparkle stones, stones of heaven, cast important designs, plaque jewels, and nomination jewels, Tony Martin jewelry, Maharaja jewelers, paisley jewelers, diamond roughs, abstract beauty, gold works, shop for silver, crafted gold, the gold bar, gold arena, and gold. These are the some products which have to put, and some business names like no business. These are the products which cocktail ring and pearls, diamonds, stud earnings, hope earnings, chandler earnings, toy ring, brooch, choker, and your kites names, dream catcher, heart stars, silver, gold, chains, engagement ring. And and my jewelry name is the Lakshmi Jewelry. Sorry, which I have not put over here. These are the products. Jewelry is an consists of decorative items worn for personal adornment such as brooches, rings, necklaces, earrings, and pendants, bracelets, and cufflinks. Jewelry may be attached to the body or the clothes. From a Western perspective, the term is restricted to durable ornaments. For many centuries, metals such as gold used in different carts from or even lower, often combined with gemstones, has been the normal material for jewelry. But other materials such as shells and other plant materials may be used. It is one of the oldest type of archaeological artifact, with 1 lakh year old beads made from shells thought to be the oldest known jewelry. The basic forms of jewelry vary between cultures but are often extremely long lived. In European cultures, the most common forms of jewelry listed above have persisted since ancient times, while other forms such as adornments for the nose or ankle important in other cultures are much less common. And these are some various examples of jewelry. Jewelry may be made from a wide range of materials. Gemstones and materials such as amber and coral, precious metals, beads, and shells have been widely used, and enamel has often been important. In most cultures, jewelry can be understood as a status symbol for its material properties, its patterns, or for many meaningful symbols. Jewelry has been made to adorn nearly every body part, from hairpins to toe rings, and even gentle jewelry. In modern European culture, the amount won by adult metals is relatively low compared with other cultures and other periods in European culture. In creating jewelry, it will be gemstones, coins, or other precious items. Typically into precious metals, platinum alloys range from 990% pure to 95.0% pure. The silver used in jewelry is usually sterling silver or 92.5% fine silver. In costume jewelry, stainless steel findings are sometimes used. Other commonly used materials include glasses such as fused glass or enamel wood, often carved or turned, shells and other natural animal substances such as bone and ivory, natural, clay polymer clamp. Hemp and other twins have been used as well to create jewelry that has more of a natural feel. However, it leads to solder which give a British Essay Office, the body which gives UK jewelry, its stamps for approval and hallmark. The right to destroy the piece, however, it is very rare for the Essay Office. Now popular diamond solitaire engagement ring. This engagement ring, this usage dates back to the marriage of Maximilian to Mary of Burgundy in 1477. A popular style is the diamond solitaire, which features a single large diamond mounted prominently. Within soliterate, there are three categories in which a ring can be classified into prong, bezel, and tension setting. These are some products like Jad, Jasper, and Ruby, Sapphire. So some conclusion. The basic idea behind the digital jewelry concept is to have the convenience of wireless wearable computers while remaining fashionable sound. It is hoped to be marketable soon. However, several bugs remain. Charging capabilities and cost are just a sample of the problems that lurk. Thank you.